Hey, this is Xavier with Modern Exterior here in Janesville, Wisconsin. Today, I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about, what happens when your gutters are improperly pitched. Now first, yes, your gutters are pitched or, ever so slightly sloped. The reason an untrained eye might not be able to see that is because our professional and certified installers they do that on purpose to sort of upkeep the aesthetic or curb appeal of the home. If it was drastically sloped, it would look weird and it just wouldn't have the same functionality, but it still does have to have a slight pitch to allow that water to flush and flow properly. Now, an easy way to tell if it's properly pitched just from, the ground, outside of the water properly flushing and not causing any leaks or overflowing, is to just take a simple tape measure. You're going to measure the end that's furthest away from the downspout and then right next to the downspout. Like this gutter behind me here, this end right here, we're at about 1.5 inches, and right at the downspout, we're at about 1 inch. Now, it all depends on how long the run is, or how large the fascia is, and just what our installers have to work with. But the question is, what happens when it's improperly pitched? Well, it's pretty simple when you think about how water works. I have my gutter sample here. It's got our gutter guards on it. It's pretty neat. But let's say the gutter sits flat. You slope it like that ever so slightly, and then the water will be able to drain towards the downspout. Let's say that's the downspout. But if it's flat, the water still might flow naturally, but when you think about under trees or just natural clogging, or just water doesn't have anywhere to flush at a rapid pace, it's only going to go up. And same if you tip it the other way, away from the downspout. And eventually when it goes up, it's either going to go over the edge and cause, dripping there, leaking there, or it's going to crawl up and behind the gutter apron, which eventually it will seep into the fascia, into the soffit, and into your home or garage or whatever building we're talking about. So that's sort of the basics of the importance of pitching your gutters. Until next time.